next topic is time interval. Time interval. So, what is time interval? Let's learn about it, then we can solve the problem. Time interval is the amount of time that happens between the start and the end of an activity. So, if you are going for a walk, so you will start at 6 and you will end at 8 o'clock. So, the starting time and the ending time, in between there is time, right? That is time interval. So from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock there is a time interval, that is called a time interval, which is takes place when the activity is doing. So you are walking, that activity is happening, so that timing is said to be time interval. So when an activity is happening, there will be some time to take it, right? To buy a pen, you're going to a shop, you're going buying and coming back, so that is the activity for the buying the pen. So the activity of timing is time interval. Okay, so start from the starting to the ending of the activity, the time difference is there, that is called time interval. So 10:30 a.m. and 1:15 p.m. So we have just assume that you're going for we are going to play at 10:30 a.m. and coming back at 1:15 p.m. So we have to find how many hours you have played. Okay, that is the thing. So from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. 1 hour, 11:30 to 12:30 1 hour, 12:30 to 1 30 minutes, and 1 to 1:15 is 15 minutes. So together 1 hour, 2 hour, 2:30, 2:45. So 2 hours 40 minutes totally. So 10:30 a.m. and 1:15 p.m. So in between the timing is 2 hours 45 minutes. So for 1 hour 1 hour like that you can easily calculate, but this is how you have to calculate, that's why I have written and showed, but it is not needed, you can just calculate using your mind also. Okay, so 10:30 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. is equal to 2 hours 45 minutes. So as we saw the time interval, so one activity is happening, the timing happening the activities is called a time interval. So what about when it is started, when it is ended? So the starting and the finishing time. An activity is happening, so there will be a time interval between the activity, but the starting of the activity and ending of the activity is said to be the starting and the finishing point. Starting time and during of an activity will be given, we have to find the finishing time. So based on the data we must know how to solve it and find it. So for that, time interval is important, finishing time and starting time, these are very important. I hope you are clear. Similarly, finishing time and the duration of an activity. So starting time duration will be given or finishing time duration will be given. So based on the data we will be finding the another one. So 5 hours 45 minutes after 11:45 a.m. So the time interval is 5 hours 45 minutes after 11:45 a.m. So after 11:45 a.m. means that is the starting timing, 11:45. So from 11:45 we have to skip 5 hours 45 minutes. Let's start counting and see what is the timing. So 11:45 to 12:45 1 hour, 12:45 to 1:45 2 hours, 1:45 to 2:45 3 hours, 2:45 to 3:45 4 hours, 3:45 to 4:45 5 hours, 4:45 to 5 is 50 minutes, and 5 to 5:30 30 minutes. Okay, so together we have to add, we have splitted what are the timing in between. So 1 2 3 4 5 hours 30 40 45. So 5 hours 45 minutes. So the starting timing is 11:45. If you see the calendar where it ends, 5:30 p.m. So the starting is 11:45 a.m. and the activity ends at 5:30 p.m. The time interval is 5 hours 45 minutes after 11:45. So 5 hours 40 minutes after 11:45 is 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Okay, so for this we must be clear with the starting time, finishing time, and the time interval. What is the difference of these three terms? Okay, so this is how we are going to convert to the needed part, whether we need duration or starting or finishing time. So next and the last topic is time interval in days. So we learned the time interval and then finishing and starting time, and finally we are in time interval in days. So 31 days in January, March, May, July, August, October and December. So for a year we have 12 months, but it is not all the month will have the same number of days. One may have 30 days, one may have 31 days. So based on that we have divided. So 31 days uh, will be in January, March, May, July, August, October and December. So what about the 30? So the 30 are April, June, September and November. And if you add together we have only 11. What about the one more, that is 20 number 9 days. So one year only one month have 29 days, that is February. In a leap year it is 28 days, in a non-leap year it is 28 days. Sorry, in a leap year it is 29, in a non-leap year it is 28. So normally all the year we will get as 28 days, but 4 hours once we will receive it as 29 days. Okay, so 31 days in January, March, May, July, August, October and December, 30 days in April, June, September and November, and 28 days in February, and 29 is February based on the leap or non-leap years. So a parcel sent by sea mail. So through sea mail they posted a parcel, and it's on 10th November 2016. Okay, 10th November of 2016, and it reached